Hi there, folks. My name is Jonathan Denwood and I'm the founder of WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the main lessons that you're going to learn in your first year of operating your membership website. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back. So I'll be quickly talking about some of the lessons that you're probably going to learn in your first year of running a membership website. If you find this video really useful, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the WP-Tonic channel. It really does encourage me to make more of these videos that are aimed at helping you, the e-learning entrepreneur. So what are some of the lessons that you're probably going to learn in your first year? Well, number one, you should have got started much earlier. You should have not spent so much time on that first course. You should have maybe, if you could have afforded it, got your website developed by somebody instead of spending a load of time yourself. You just needed to get on with things, because the quicker you get your membership website up and running and actually getting live students, the more you will learn the real things that you've got to change. Because before all that, it's just educated guessing, basically. You're going to be amazed about the things that you thought that your students were going to be concerned about. You'll hardly get anybody mention it. And the things you thought that they wouldn't care about, they will go on about, and you will need to change to keep those students, those customers happy. So number one is get that website up with our help or whatever platform you choose. Number two, do a real deep dive about your competitors. Really think in the mind of your student. You know, you can't spend enough time looking at your competitors, but do it in a systematic way. You know, write down, if you were a student and you were looking at the competitors, which one would you choose and why? You know, and you never stop looking at your competitors, because they are looking at your website as well. So you've always periodically, every month, every couple of months, have to do a deep dive about the competitors and see what they've changed, how they are adapting to market conditions, and basically just copy what you think is most successful and try and put your own spin on it. That is the way to outcompete your competitors. It doesn't have to be enormous things. The small things really matter. Number three, onboarding. Now, this is the area where a lot of newbies in the membership sector really fall down. And not only in my own business, which is aimed at you, the e-learning entrepreneur, I have learned it the hard way that spending time and effort on building really quality onboarding practices really pay dividends. And it's an area where it's like having a leaky bucket. You know, you're pouring loads of new clients, new customers in through outreach, paid advertisement, all the various ways that I've discussed in these videos. But the bucket's got holes in it, and the holes are caused by poor onboarding practices. So the more time you can spend getting these people up to speed, and the other great tool for that is marketing automation, is by certain actions, especially in the first couple of days, you can plan. You know, you can put yourself in the mindset of a new student, and if they're doing certain things, you can send them a series of email that can give them automatic advice, which you've scripted, you've written out, to get them moving. The quicker you can get them invested in the course, the less chance there is of them cancelling in their subscription to your course. I'm going to leave it at that. There's a great article, the links in the supporting notes of this video, where on the WP-Tonic, where I go into a lot more detail about other things. Go and have a look at the article and have a look at what we got to offer to you to get you up and running painlessly on the most flexible and powerful platform for e-learning entrepreneur like you, i.e. WordPress. I'll be back soon with some more great advice. I'll see you soon. Bye.